Once a quote has been marked as reserved or converted to a confirmed order, any availability issues are highlighted in a big red bar on the items list. In this video, we're going to look at solving these availability issues by juggling your own equipment around or looking at getting this sub-rented from a vendor or supplier. Focusing on the product with the red bar, we can click into the blue arrow and head into the product's availability calendar. This will allow us to see what other jobs the product has been added on. We may be able to bring something back from another job earlier to solve this availability problem. Alternatively, you may spot that something is in the quarantine, meaning that it is damaged or lost. If something is damaged, we may be able to fix it to solve the availability problem. However, in this situation, juggling availability or fixing assets is not possible. So we are going to look at sub-renting this from a vendor or supplier. If we head back onto that order page and find the product shortage, we can click into the blue arrow and edit this product. This is where we can make any changes to the line item. If we scroll down, we can go ahead and add an allocation. Here we can select sub-rental booking and select a vendor or supplier. If we have a vendor or supplier rate set up in your system, those details will be pulled through here. As we only need a quantity of 2 for this event, we can go ahead and change the sub-rented quantity to 2 and delete off that previous allocation. When we're happy with the information, we can go ahead and update this line item. You may notice that the red bar has disappeared against that line item, and instead we have a quantity in square brackets. This is indicating to us that out of the 2 wireless mouses going out on this job, both of these are sub-rented. We can now look at generating a purchase order directly from Current RMS to send to our sub-rent vendor or supplier by clicking into the cost view just above this items list. This view shows any costs to our business that are associated with this job. For example, if we have any labour costs or the cost of equipment that we are sub-renting. You can see in the top right-hand corner of the opportunity that you can compare the revenue you're generating to your internal costs, which will allow you to see the profit figures and profit percentage. When you're ready to create a purchase order, tick boxes that you want to be included, click into Actions, and create that purchase order. We can open this document up as a preview, where we can see that this is the equipment we're looking for, across these dates, for this price. As with all of the documents in Current RMS, you can customize both the information and the layout. We can then email the purchase order to the customer in a similar way that we can send out quotes.